How to fix Telegram unable to send SMS. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me BPN Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix unable to send SMS error occurring on Telegram. Now basically the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and uninstall the Telegram. Now first you want to uninstall the Telegram. Once you uninstall the Telegram application, what you want to do is you want to go ahead. Now I won't be uninstalling here, so I'm just narrating it. First you uninstall the application and then go ahead and into the search bar you want to search in for a VPN. Now once you do so, you want to go ahead and install any one of the VPN here that you wish to use. You can download the Turbo VPN as well and then install it. Once you install it, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and toggle the VPN on, and you want to enable VPN on your device. Once you do so, you want to open up Telegram and then try to log into your account and go ahead, and there will be no any SMS unable to send SMS error there. So this way you can easily fix unable to send SMS error on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.